Alaji, 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 Alaji. Yes, Hafiz African Radio, the big voice of Africa and African media. It's Thanksgiving, and this is the time to give thanks, share, eat, burn a few pounds, and dance, dance, dance. It's all about the hottest Thanksgiving event going down in Ohio, the Black and Red Affair. Yes, that's right, the Black and Red Affair. Strictly for the grown and sexy. If you're in the Ohio area and you're looking for a place you know you'll be able to mingle with the sexiest, classiest people, you know the music and the dance floor is going to be on fire all night, and the party will not stop until 3 in the morning. You ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get out of here. Then the Black and Red Affair is the place you and your friends need to be on November 27th, 2010. The event is going down at the Party Place at 3099 Graham Road, Stowe, Ohio 44224. You must come dressed in the black and red only. This event is 18 plus to party, but 21 plus to drink. Only $10 at the door. Yes, that's right, only $10. And if you're a VIP and would like to be treated as one, we got VIP available that includes food, drink, and a table. And if you want to take a quick break, you can step into the pool room and get your game on. Tickets are available now. Get your tickets today to avoid the long lines. This event is sponsored by the #1 African international radio station, African Radio Online, and the only place to get your hair did in Ohio, Multicultural Hair Salon. Directions from Cleveland, Ohio, merge onto Ontario Street, US 422, Ohio 14, Ohio 87. Continue to follow US 422 East, Ohio 14 East, Ohio 8 East, Ohio 87S. Merge onto I-80 East via exit 146 toward Youngstown. Merge onto Ohio 8S via exit 180 toward Akron. Take the Graham Road exit 7 toward Silver Lake, Stowe. Turn left onto Graham Road and the Party Place is on your left. Directions from Columbus, Ohio. Get onto South High Street. Turn right on East Long Street, US 33 East. Merge onto I-71 North via the ramp on the left via Cleveland. Merge onto I-76 East via exit 209A. Merge onto Ohio 8 North via exit 23B on the left toward Cuyahoga Falls. Take the Graham Road exit 7 toward Silver Lake. Turn right onto Graham Road and the Party Place on your left. To win free ticket, listen online at www.africanradioonline.com or call 678-365-0002 to listen on your phone. For more info, contact Jenna at 330-459-9673. If you'd like to help to promote this event or perform at the event, contact us for more info. Remember, do not be told about it, be about it. See you there.